Hello guys, this is Lulsha Detective and today I'm going to show you how to see your estimated monthly earning and also estimated yearly earning on YouTube. To do that, that's easy. The first thing you need to do is copy your YouTube username or URL. To do that, open YouTube. And then click your channel. After that, in the left side you see three dots. Let me show you by brush. Here, three dots, and click on them and click share, then copy link. After that, out from YouTube and open any browser you want or anything that can you can paste that link and out everything that's before you see DOMEL and copy those letters and numbers, then search for social blade. In this website you can see your live subscriber count, your estimated yearly and monthly earning, and so on. And in the first line you see this and click on that. After that you see a screen like this. Then in the left side there is a search bar that says enter YouTube username. And paste that link that you copied. Paste that link. And click search. And after that you see your channel and your estimated monthly earning and also yearly earning. This is it, and it's estimated monthly earning and yearly earning, and also it can show you how many subscribers you gain on the last 30 days or in the last 1 month. In this month I gained up to 2,208 subscribers in the last 30 days or in this month. So my estimated monthly earning is up to $1. Starts from $1 up to $15, and it can be more if you get more subscribers and views. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share for your friends, and also like this video. Thank you for watching.